So, the Google document leak shows a possible demotion for content being on exact match domains. Now, I'm going to call these EMDs for short in this video, in case you're not familiar with the lingo. People are freaking out, and they're wondering if that means EMDs are or about to start getting demoted. I'm going to give you the answer to this 100% correct, and my answer may surprise you. I talked about the Google document leak last week in a video. We came to the conclusion that it was a little squeaking kitten of a leak. Meow, not a roar. Roar. The leak told us very little, even if it was all real, which I have my doubts about. Because without showing percentages for weight in the algorithm, most of it meant absolutely nothing. But one thing people noticed specifically was in the demotion section, EMDs were in there. Before we go further, let's first start with how Google's algorithm works. Understand the coding behind the algorithm is a bunch of if-then statements, saying stuff like, if keyword is in the domain, then give 5% weight in the algorithm. For every X amount of links that come in, times the 5% by 1.1 to give the new weight. That means keyword in domain starts with a 5% weight, but it gets stronger as more links come in. And this is exactly what happens with keyword in domain. They get stronger as more links come in. Now, I'm making this very basic, but the basic code may end up looking something like this. You can see we are calculating weight in the algorithm. Initial weight is 0.05 or 5%. We give it an increment factor where the power increases with links. We then calculate the weight by timesing the initial weight by the increment factor. Again, this is extremely basic. The algorithm is much more complex, but I just want to give you a basic idea of how it works. Understanding this will help you understand this video and also how simple SEO is. And look, Google is not some all-knowing god like everyone thinks. They're really more comparable to like a big robot butler bitch. It does what it's told. Let's find out if the algorithm is being told to demote exact match domain. So we're going to do a bunch of random searches here. Let's start with an SEO term. We're going to do a random term here. Let's do maybe Atlanta. So we'll do Atlanta SEO and let's see what we find. So here's sponsor results. And look at this. The first site we see is an exact match domain, atlantaseo.pro. That's an exact match domain. Let's do another city. Let's do another one. Let's do Miami. Miami's a big city. Miami SEO. We got the map listings there. Scroll down. Look at that. The first site is an exact match domain, the Miami SEO company. Let's even scroll down and see if we see any more. We see Miami.gov. Miami SEM, that's a partial match. SEO USA, partial. SEO Miami, exact match domain with a dash in there, which is seen as quote unquote spammy. Let's go do a couple more searches, then we'll move on to another niche. Let's do something like Los Angeles SEO. It's one of the biggest cities in the United States. Look at that. First site we see is an exact match domain, ranking number 1. Let's go do another one. Let's do Houston Plumber. We'll get out of SEO. Let's do Houston Plumber. Let's see what we see. Let's scroll down. We got sponsor results there. So first one's a brand. Second one's kind of a brand. Third one, exact match domain. Cooper Plumbing Houston. Okay, so again, another exact match. Let's look down a little further. Texas Plumbing, so that's a partial match, kind of. We got Angie's, Robot Rooter, Yellow. So we got one or two in there. Let's do a different niche. Let's do a big city with a big niche. Let's do NYC Injury Lawyer. That's a huge niche, right? Huge city, huge niche. First one is a brand. Second one is a brand. Let's see. Third one, brand. Fourth one, brand. Fifth one, brand. Sixth one, brand. Look at number 7. NYC Injury Attorneys. That is like the spammiest looking domain ever with dashes in it. Yet, it is ranking on the first page with an exact match domain. So let's make it a little harder, right? Let's go do, and I want to show you how Google's algorithm works here. Let's go do a search for something like best helicopter tours, okay? This is a competitive keyword, right? It's going to be a really competitive keyword. It's more national search, so it's going to be more competition. And we see a TripAdvisor, Maverick Helicopter, USA Today, Reddit, Viator, Newsweek, TripAdvisor, Head Out. So what we notice is no exact match domains. And you may say, someone may do this search to say, well, there's no exact match domains in there. Does that mean they're demoted? No. What it means is if you look at this first page, you see there's a lot of authority, right? Number 1 has 900,000 referring domains. Number 2 has 2,600, and it's a partial match, has helicopter in there. Number 3 has 760,000 referring domains. Number 4 is Reddit with 2.4 million. The point here is there's a lot of authority for this search term. So there's likely not an exact match domain out there that has enough authority with enough quality links to be on the first page. If there was, it would be on the first page. So let's do another search. Let's make this more specific. Let's go search for something like Maui helicopter tour. Let's see what we see. Look at that. First result we see, MauiHelicopterTours.com, exact match domain. My point here is just because you may not see exact match domains for a competitive niche does not mean it's not working. It just means there's not an exact match domain out there with enough links in it and quality links to be on the first page. That's all it means. Let's do one more really competitive term. This is a niche that I was in for a long time, best gold IRA companies. Now, what you're going to see with this is a lot of really high competition. Okay, so first page, number one is CBS News, 500,000. Investopedia, 450,000. Forbes, 1.4 million. Retirement Living, 8,000. Consumer Affairs, 63,000. Publish What You Pay, 1,000. Business Insider, 878,000. LinkedIn, 19 million, right? And we see no exact match domains. But if we scroll down just a little bit, and this site gets on and off of the first page all the time because I monitor this niche, we see at number 12, IRAcompanies.gold, 27 referring domains. Compare that to the first page. The lowest referring domains on the first page is 1,000. After that, it's 2,200. After that, it's 8,000. And after that, it's 100,000 plus. Yet these guys at number 12, who get on the first page here and there, are ranking with 27 referring domains. That's because they have an exact match domain, okay? And they have very good links with very good relevance. Now, if we go back and look at what the article said, let me quote it exactly. Content can be demoted for a variety of reasons, such as, and it gives a bunch of them, then it says exact match domains. This is how Google is so deceptive. Did you catch the two-word deception in there? Can be. They can be demoted. So here's what that means if this document is even real. There could be something in the algorithm that demotes exact match domains under certain circumstances. For example, maybe exact match domains get a little less wiggle room when it comes to something like a spam or a relevance score. So let's pretend Google has a spam score and a relevance score, and I would almost bet they have something along those lines. Well, maybe non-EMDs get away with a spam score of 70 or better and a relevant score of 70 or better. But maybe EMD domains only get away with a spam score of 60 or better and then also a relevant score of 60 or better. So in that case, yes, an EMD could be demoted, or maybe it's even simpler than that. Maybe there is no difference in the spam and relevant score of an EMD and a regular domain. And if the spam score is below 70, the site gets demoted, whether it's an EMD or not. In this case, yeah, the EMD would get demoted. But guess what? So would the regular site. Google does this shit all the time. Sure, an EMD can be demoted, but guess what? A regular non-EMD site can be demoted as well if you're not doing shit the right way. This is how Google News works. They try to make you fear things, especially things that work extremely well. EMDs work extremely well, as we saw with our searches earlier. What's the other thing that Google constantly puts out negative information about? Links, right? Well, that's because links work extremely well. Google doesn't want their search manipulated, so they try to get worrisome news out about the things that work the best so that you don't use them to your advantage. It's as simple as that. All right, don't forget to check out gregsformula.com for my new SEO mind map. Like, comment, subscribe if you found this video useful. I'll keep upping these videos as long as good feedback keeps coming in. Peace.